This is the thickest, the softest, the fluffiest burger bun recipe that your summer barbecue is begging for, right? I mean, just look at these. So we're gonna start by making a Tangzhong. I'm gonna add bread flour, water, and milk into a saucepan. You wanna keep whisking that over a medium heat until it forms a thick paste. When it looks something like this, we're gonna take it off the heat, we're gonna let it cool for 10 minutes. Tangzhong is just a Japanese method of cooking a little bit of liquid with a little bit of flour until it forms a paste, and long story short, it makes your buns a whole lot softer. Then into the bowl of a stand mix, I'm gonna add bread flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. And then we add soft butter and that cool Tangzhong mixture. We're gonna knead that and slowly pour in milk and an egg. After about 5 minutes, it should be really nice and smooth, like this. We're gonna put it in a bowl and prove it for an hour and a half. Take the proved dough, you're gonna knock the air out of it, and you're gonna cut it into 100-gram pieces. And you wanna roll each piece of dough into a smooth ball. Lightly oil the dough balls, cover them up, and then prove them for an hour to an hour and a half. Once they've proved, egg wash the buns, and then we're gonna drop some sesame seeds on top. Then into the oven, about 25 minutes. Ooh, that is perfection. Take a little soft butter and just paint it on the bun. This supermarket burger bun is an embarrassment compared to the premium Tangzhong sesame burger bun that we have just made. And they are just so soft. And when you cut it open, you see the dough has this lovely spring to it as well.